What was that? You said it popped and turned off and now you can't get it to turn back on? Alright, give me about 10 minutes. I'll be right there. So yeah, I get there and I push the power button a couple times. It's not turning on. And yeah, it sounds like a blown power supply. So I'm going to have to take it in and change it out for you. So let me climb underneath the desk here and get it disconnected and I'll be back as soon as I can. So I climb underneath the desk. Yep, you heard that. Well, hi there, sweetie. How are you? What are you doing underneath here? And so I had to look, and sure enough, the little kitten had turned off the power strip. Problem solved. And so we just wrapped a little bit of cardboard around the power strip, and that will prevent the kitten from turning it off. Please take a moment to like, share, comment, follow, visit the website. At least it didn't completely reset the computer. I've had that happen last year.